Hi, friends. I'm Jenn George Burt, and I'm here to officially welcome you to the Quilty Life Social Club. This new show is a spin-off of my other YouTube show called The Quilty Life with Jenn George Burt. Over on the other channel, I'm totally committed to continuing to bring you high-quality quilting-related tutorials. But over here on the social club side, we can go well beyond that. Think collaborations with other makers, think live streams, and all sorts of other fun stuff that goes well beyond quilting tutorials. So I have to tell you, my brain is nearly bursting with ideas of all the things I want to do over here in the social club. I already have lots of things in the works. One of the things I'm most excited about in the near future is a collaboration that I'm working on with Jenny Day at Bizzara Handmade. We're cooking up something really cool for you, so make sure that you stay tuned in the next few weeks to see what that's all about. And beyond that, you're just going to have to tune in and see what we do over here. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you haven't already joined my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And while you're waiting for more videos to pop up over here, don't forget to go visit the other channel and watch all the quilting tutorials that are already there for you. And finally, to celebrate the launch of the social club, I want to give you the opportunity to get a free quilt pattern. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you like this video and then comment "I love free stuff" in the comments below, and I will send you information about how to claim your free digital quilt pattern. So welcome to the social club. I'm so glad you're here, and I'll see you again next time.